Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to get this half up, half down, easy, wavy hair look. In this video, I am using my Luxy clip-in hair extensions, and I'm also using my signature curler from Luxy Hair. So shout out to Luxy Hair for sponsoring this video. Before we get into the video, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel and that you hit the notification bell so you're alerted whenever I post a new video. Everything that I will be listing in this video will be also listed down below in the description box, so please feel free to look down there if you have any questions. Now let's get into the video. Now, when you do a hairstyle like this, you're not going to apply your hair extensions the way that you normally would because you want to make the hair extensions look as natural and not noticeable as possible. Of course, you want to show the length and the volume, but you don't want to see the clips everywhere. And if you apply your hair extensions the way that you normally would, it's not going to be a good look. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to make this hairstyle look seamless with hair extensions. So the first thing you're going to want to do is put your first layer of 3 clip wefts on the bottom. So you're going to want to section off your hair. And then you want to go ahead and add your first 3 clip weft. So we're going to go ahead and add that to the bottom. And then it should look something like this. Okay, so we've got the first layer of hair extensions on. The next step is going to be to add our next 3 clip weft to the bottom. So like right underneath the ear, section off, and our 3 clip goes next. My hair extensions are also the Brond Seamless Clip-In Hair Extensions from Luxy Hair, and they are 180 grams and 20 inches long. So that's what that's going to look like. So the hair, my natural hair is starting to get disguised a little bit the more that we add the wefts. So then I'm going to add my 4 clip weft next. So go ahead and section off. Okay, so now our 4 clip weft is added on, and now we're going to work on the top part. So this is where it gets a little, not tricky, but this is where you kind of have to switch the way that you apply your hair extensions. So normally I would keep going up until like around here and have the hair extension clips facing down, but now we're going to actually have the hair extension clips facing upwards because that's how it's going to disguise when we put our hair up. So I'm going to do a high pony. I'm not going to do anything low. It's going to be like up here. So with that being said, I am going to go around. Remember that you also want to leave hair coming out because you want to hide the last 4 clip weft that you just applied. So now I'm going to take one of my 2 clip wefts and start applying upward. Okay, so it's gonna feel a little uncomfortable at first, but once you tie it up in the ponytail, it's gonna feel better. So now we're gonna wanna do another layer. So now we're gonna take another 2 clip weft and do the same thing as before. All right, and then we're gonna take a 1 clip weft because if you keep taking 2, I mean, unless your head is really wide, then it could probably work for you, but mine isn't. So I'm gonna do a 1 clip weft, but this time I'm gonna apply it the normal way. So like this. And then I'm just gonna do 1 more normally, and then go back. So I wanna go about that high because if I go any higher, I think it's gonna start looking a little bit noticeable. So now we're gonna go ahead and do our half up, half down pony, and then we can go and start styling it with our curling iron. Because you want to be very careful when you're combing backwards right here because you don't want to tamper with the extensions because they can be a little bit sensitive. So you just want to make sure that you're very, very gentle when combing back. And as you can see, I have a good amount of hair, and I'm going to show you a trick right after this too to kind of disguise it even more. So just keep on watching. And then we're going to get a hair tie. Okay, so that's about as high as I want to go. And then you're going to want to get your edge control, hairspray, gel, whatever you use. I'm going to use this edge control from Art & Co. And I'm just going to start weighing down my baby hairs like that. This is like the one thing that tames my baby hairs. Not even like hairspray can tame my baby hairs down. Or my flyaways, whatever you want to call it. I don't really think there's a specific name for them, honestly. I think it's one and the same. I might be wrong. I don't know. And then we're just going to tighten that up. So now what I like to do to kind of hide these little bumps that are kind of inevitable when you're putting in clip-in hair extensions is, so I'm going to get my own hair from the top of the pony. Okay, so now I'm going to get about this much hair from the top of my pony, and I'm just going to twist it around the hair tie like this. And then you're going to start securing your pony with some bobby pins. Because you don't want this part right here where you're hiding the hair tie to get loose. You want it nice and secure. And just start brushing down just a little bit more. So now we're going to go ahead and style the hair with the signature curler from Luxy Hair. This is a 1-inch barrel width curler. So it's basically a wand, and it's extra long for us girls who like to wear hair extensions. It's definitely really, really helpful because if you're like me, I know that you probably struggle with running out of room when you're trying to curl your hair and you're wearing these 20-inch long extensions. That always happens to me. So I think this is a brilliant idea that they came up with to make it extra long. It also comes with a heat-resistant mat and with a glove so that you don't burn yourself while you're curling your hair. Brilliant, right? So this goes up to 450 degrees. It's got 11 heat settings. I'm going to put mine up to about 275 because I think 275 should be fine, but if you're someone who's always in a rush and needs like a quick curl, it's really helpful that this goes up to 450 degrees. So I'm going to just add my glove. I really like the color too. I'm really into like neutrals, as you can tell. So like the color. And this is also just so cute. Golden cream. Love it. So then we're just going to start curling the hair section by section, curling away from the face. And just kind of keeping it right here. And then you're gonna want something kind of like this. And then I like to leave it. I don't really like to touch it too much. And I just do the rest of my hair the same exact way. This is such a cute and easy hairstyle. You can wear this any time of the year. Doesn't go out of style. I feel like this is a very timeless look. So just gonna keep on curling. I like to hold the curl for about 15 seconds and then I let it go. So that's what that side's kind of going to look like. I'm also going to do some right here. I also like to get this front edge right here and then just curl that downwards. Be very careful that you don't burn your ear while doing this little part right here. I've even like burned my forehead. So you just want to make sure that's cute. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and do this side. And then we're going to do the top. When I get to the top part of the pony, I kind of like to do my curls in different directions. I just think it looks cute that way. So this one I'm going to do away from the face, and the next one I'm going to do coming towards the face. As so. And then this next one is going to be going towards the face. All right, so now I'm gonna take my glove off and I'm just gonna kind of run my fingers through. So now you can go ahead and add some hairspray. and you can kind of play around with the hair. If you want the curls to be tighter, you can obviously not touch the hair and run your fingers through it like I did, but I like more of like a beachy wave. So this is it. It's super, super easy. It's a lot easier than it looks, but it does take a little bit of practice just to make sure you're blending the hair extensions correctly. But other than that, it's a super easy and cute look to do that goes with almost any outfit or any style. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you're interested in purchasing these extensions or this Luxy hair curler, please feel more than free to use my code down below for some money off your purchase. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.